yo, you can win $10,000 or even $50,000 from LiveGood. So I just got done watching the LiveGood Friday Zoom, and this is where they have, trainings from different leaders, and the owner of the company gives updates on products and the actual business opportunity. So today, Ben Galinsky announced something that's super dope. So for anybody that joins LiveGood as an affiliate, or you are already an affiliate, for every new enrollee that you get into LiveGood, whether they are a customer or an affiliate, you're going to be entered into a drawing to win $10,000. One enrolled person will get you an entry into a $10,000 drawing. Now, if you enroll more than one person, all right, so if you enroll 2 people or more, you're going to be entered into the $50,000 drawing. Now, why is this happening? All right, because LiveGood is excited about potentially hitting 1 million members in 1 year. So if you don't know, the LiveGood Opportunity started December 13th, 2022, and we are currently at around 870,000 members. So the owner really wants to motivate people to get the word out about LiveGood, share this opportunity, share the products, because he wants to hit 1 million members in the month of December. So like I said, honestly, if you're watching the video, you should already be a part of LiveGood, but this is a nice incentive to join or to really get active in promoting the opportunity and the products. So one more time, for the month of December 2023, if you can enroll one person, you will be entered to win $10,000. If you can enroll more than one person, you will actually have a chance to win $50,000. So if you are not already in LiveGood, you can get started right now by clicking that first link in the description or in the comments of this video. Now, if you are already a member of LiveGood, what are you doing? You need to stop watching this video and start promoting, because I'm trying to win $50,000.